Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Ziggy's Workshop. Today I got a couple of little tricks and tips for you if you're working out of a heavy duty truck. We've got a Ram 2500. It's kind of high and difficult to get in and out of. One of the things I recommend if you have a pickup truck is make sure you get one of these steps. That really helps you when you want to climb up inside of this thing. I'm kind of fat and old and I don't like climbing in and out of this, and all the help I can get with this. Got a couple of other hacks, but before I go to those, do me a favor, like and subscribe to our channel. We've got tips and tricks on camping and other things, and let us know what you think. One of the other things with this truck is a lot of times you get a pickup truck and your items wind up there and you got to get them out. They slide around. One thing that I've done is I got a paint stick and what is called a boat hook that screws onto the end of the paint stick. This is a hook that they use for grabbing lines on a boat. It screws onto the end of the paint stick and you can just reach in and grab whatever you want. It'll grab into plastic bags if you thump on it. Anything that's got a hook or a handle, it'll grab onto. And for me, all I do is I got a piece of paracord up there hanging on a tie down point that I had installed, and I've got another one down here, and this has been riding back here for years. It's never been damaged. I suggest if you have a pickup truck, you add some tie down points. This top edge of the bed rail is not the strongest, so don't go putting a lot of pressure on anything because you'll bend it. And these round hooks I got from someplace, there's 3 of them on each side. You can buy any kind of tie down point that you wish. One of the things, we travel a lot to go see our kids, and this has got a tonneau cover on it, a roll-up tonneau cover, and we put suitcases and bags of clothes or whatever we're bringing down, and it's odd shaped. So the problem is trying to tie down those odd shaped items with the tie down points that are available in the truck is quite frankly a pain. We actually take a couple of these or milk crates and we stack stuff up in it, but again they wind up sliding forward. They're uneven in size. So I know I've seen a lot of guys, a lot of people build things to stop the your stuff from sliding forward, and I actually came out of here over the weekend and I was gonna build something. And I was starting to gather my tools because I work in my driveway, and I grabbed this bench or step. This is made by Gorilla Ladders. It's a very handy little step, a little platform, and you can stand on it for painting or reaching something. You can set tools on it. And I was getting it out of the garage, getting ready to cut up some plywood to build something, and I said, wait a minute, that looks like it'll fit between the bed rail, between the wheel wells. So I flipped it up and I went, hey, wait a minute, this might be something. So it fits right between the wheel wells. A couple of bungee cords, like so. One here. Excuse me, Miss Sweet Pea. And one over here. And you put some crates or whatever you want up here, and they're not going to slide forward any longer. I don't have to worry about tying it down. It's going to stay there. I was looking at it a little bit closer, and I said, I wonder if it'll help if I wanted to put more things in the bed, but not use the entire length of the bed. And I came over here and undid the bungee cords. And sure enough, you flip it over like this, you get a stop there. And now, slide stuff in, it's not going to go anywhere. I like to use things for different purposes if I can. I don't have a whole lot of garage space or basement space. That tool bench or that step bench is not going to be used if I'm traveling. So if it's being used here, perfect. And it didn't cost me any money because I already got it. I hope you like the ideas that I put out here tonight. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe, and good luck with all your projects. Have a great night.